watching Beyond. I'm Zeba Khan, and I'm today in conversation with the cast of Kartam Bhuktam. The film is out to release on May 17th. Welcome you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, I was also expecting Vijay, though. He's not a part of this convo.
Vijay bhai, I think, is shooting for Bhool Bhulaiya 3, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so I think he's in a shoot, so he's not able to join us.
Okay, so let's start with the title. It's so interesting, but of course we've seen in the trailer and we've seen notes also around that what the name of the film actually means. But what does it mean to you, all of you?
Well,
For
I think
me,
it's
I'm very happy with the title of the film. I just love the name Kartam Bhuktam. I don't know why I connected with the title right from the beginning, and I love the people connected with the film as well. Like I discovered that Soham has got interest in tarot and astrology and spiritual reading, and as I'm coming along, I realized Shreyas is also like that. He's got so many experiences to share, and and his faith and his belief, and Akshay, all these, in our conversations, I realized that we are a really, and I'm saying that because I have so much faith and all these stories do a lot for me. So coming together as a team and the title has really made me, if I talk in terms of energy, I'm feeling very, very good and positive. I can feel the positivity around the title, around the film, and around us.
We've always been taught about the fact that do good and good will come back to you. Though, sometimes we have to wait really long for that. But there have been certain experiences in my life which eventually prove the same thing, that aap acha karo to acha hoga. It probably happens sometime when you're least expecting it, and that's the best part about it. I believe that someone is keeping a record somewhere of whatever you're doing. So you do good, and eventually good will happen to you.
Madhu, it's so amazing to see you back on screen. You look fantastic. It's amazing because, as a woman viewer, as a woman watcher of cinema, and as somebody who also reviews films, I've seen how you started. I've seen your previous films, and now in this age when roles are written specifically for women, back then it wasn't so much. It's amazing to see you so happy, so fresh, bringing that new energy, and you're ready to, like you said, you had a different vision for your character, so you're ready to do the work. It's amazing. Yeah. What would you like to say about that?
No, I did that in my first film, in my comeback. Not first, but one of the first films. And I had a big clash with the director. And I kept thinking that, this director who was very young, is not understanding me or not giving me my due respect because I am the experienced senior actor and he's not taking my okay takes. He's making me do a retake, and I was very angry with him. But it took me a while to understand that if I have closed myself, I will never be able to grow. The audience is new, the audience is young, it's a new generation. And not to forget that I was actually out of the industry. I was not somebody who was continuing the work. So, people who never left the industry, they very seamlessly move with the new times. But I left and came back, so there is a gap. So instead of understanding those things, I had loggerheads with that director. And that was a huge learning for me, because when I saw the film later on, I really loved myself in the film. I thought I did brilliantly, but I also knew in my heart that it was director's work and not my work. He fought with me to bring out a different me. So, and I loved myself more in that film than in the previous film. And that taught me that I have to do the unlearning to bring newness. And that was a huge teacher. So now today, whether Soham is half my age or Shreyas is half my age or Akshay is half my age, I don't have that thought process that I know more than you because I've done more than you.
I'm a huge fan of Vijay, which is why I had a little disappointment that he was not a part of this. So if you guys could also share what is his role like in the film, and because Shreyas, you have the maximum scenes with him is what I'm guessing from the trailer. If you could talk about your on-set chemistry with him.
First of all, I guess all of us, Aksha maybe has a little less, but me and Madhuji have equal amount of scenes with him, and that is, what you will get to know once you watch the film. But I think he, like Madhuji very rightly said, that he's a little reserved kind of a guy. He doesn't really speak much, but there are moments when, and he's a mystery for all of us, technically, if you ask me. He doesn't speak much, but yeah, there are moments when, he would cut loose and he would have his share of jokes and punches and things like that. But when the camera rolls, he so effortlessly slips into the character that it is a treat to watch him do that. How does one person do that? Because usually as actors we would say, okay, ready क्या, अच्छा एक मिनट जरा मिरर दिखाना, अच्छा okay, एक मिनट लाइन जरा मैं वापस रिहर्स कर लेता हूँ, okay, I'm ready, let's go for a take. He doesn't do any of that. He's there, he's talking to you, he's probably laughing with you or laughing at you, you don't know. And then suddenly the director says, okay, roll, action, and he's in the character. So he's playing that astrologer who I interact with. And Madhuji, Aksha and all are differently related with him in some way or the other.
What is it that we should look forward to in the film?
You look for the characters who are not there in the trailer, and yet the trailer is so interesting. Look for those characters के what are they doing जो trailer में नहीं है, वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो देखने जाइए.